Today, we are going to talk about another interesting topic which is more related to the technology industry. It's manual testing and automation testing. One might wonder what effect a testing could happen towards a product or towards a service. It's immaculate. It's not just an easy job to do a testing on top of a existing product or a new product. In my opinion, testing is one of the most underrated skills ever. But there's a catch to it. We all know how brilliant manual testing was probably a decade ago, but nowadays mostly it's all automation testing. Now, that doesn't mean we are going to eliminate manual testing completely. For example, let's imagine you build a small website, maybe 4 to 5 pages. Do you think we are going to write automation scripts for this small level of work? No. Nobody would actually invest so much of time and technology power in building automation scripts. So, which means the manual testing industry will definitely survive. But there's an element of catch. The number of manual testers and the number of projects which involves manual testing is getting reduced day by day, whereas the number of projects which actually work on automation testing is increasing day by day. We all know the number of frameworks around automation testing, such as Selenium. The most interesting thing about automation testing is you need to know some programming language, or in simple terms you need to be aware of and skilled at Java, because Java is the most widely used automation testing scripting language ever in the industry, or at least till date. There are some low code platforms which actually automate the testing, but it's a far off, at least for now. For example, a tester knows how to understand the logical flow of the screen from product A's section to another section. Automation testing is one of the most rewarding careers. We have seen the 2020 or 2021 surge in the package given to automation testers, particularly experienced automation testers. One of the other interesting facts is automation testers also have good domain knowledge because they tend to work in that particular domain for quite some time. This gives more credibility for the clients and more accountability for the software engineers who work as automation testing. Now, the next big question is testing going to extinct? Well, we don't think so, to be honest, because without testing a product or a service, nothing is going to get launched. Or, in other terms, let's say you launch a product or you launch a service, the customer experience is very critical element. If a product is not tested properly, you are putting a toss towards customer experience, and it is going to affect your product or a service in a really bad way. So keeping that in mind, we definitely think that automation testing will survive the industry. It is not going to be a scare even if AI comes, but things will keep on changing. The way we test or the way we run automation scripts is definitely going to change. Let's see how automation testing features in the next decade. We will always stay connected and give you more interesting facts and figures around this testing scenario. Thank you.